The 2015 Buick Verano. Buick Verano is a compact car built on the Delta II platform, designed and built from the ground up with the idea of it being a Buick. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, Bluetooth, power steering, front wheel drive, cruise control, fog lamps, heated steering wheel, power windows, heated driver's seat, trip computer, remote power door locks, compass, airbags, leather seats, tachometer, head-up display, heated passenger seat, power heated outside mirrors. Your new ride is just a phone call away.